You're probably wondering why I'm showing this video to you. Oh, we live in a house that you can't have a dishwasher upstairs. So I had this one kicking around, and I hooked it into the basement. Though we have to carry the dishes up and down the stairs, you can hear it running. It took a while to connect it. I ran a power cord, tied it on, and it's plugged in back, right. You can see it or not. Back in there somewhere. There's the cord right there. Anyway, it's pumping now. I ran the cable right there into the pump. It's one that goes in the covered space. Ran the cable, hose should say, to splice to the dishwasher hot. It works. I'm happy with it, even though I have to carry the dishes up and down the stairs. But it goes through all its cycles and it works great. Got it for free off of Kijiji a couple years ago. This would be the third year I had it. And I hooked it up say about 2 weeks ago. Or a week ago. And it works. It's a Frigidaire. There's the cycles. And the dial. Anyway, little project I did. I'll make a cabinet for it later on. But I just took that there, tied these here, strapping. I have to pull it out once in a while. Like, open the door, it doesn't fall forward like the other ones do. It's not encased into the cupboard underneath the counter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.